Indian Amateur Boxing Federation President Abhishek Mathoria, expressing his happiness over boxer Vijender Singh being declared innocent by the National Anti-Doping Agency, said he always believed that the Olympic medalist had nothing to do with the drug haul case. The Sports Ministry today confirmed that boxer Vijender Singh is drug-free. The blood and urine samples given to the National Anti-Doping Agency for tests have yielded negative results. IABA President Mathoria was relieved by the announcement that none of the boxers were found to have used any banned substances.
It was expected because we were quite confident that Vijender has nothing to do with the drugs case, drugs peddling or the drugs dealing as they call it. Yes, it is a big relief for all of us and for Vijender as well.
On being asked whether anything seemed suspicious about the results, Mathoria said there is no such thing as the tests were conducted by an autonomous body, NADA.
No, nothing is fishy about the case. Now it is not at all fishy. When the official results of NADA, the National Anti-Doping Agency, the result is out. So I don't think so anything is fishy now. The truth is out in front of the people through the media, and we've always been requesting the media to cooperate. They've done that, and now since the NADA has produced the results and they are negative, so we are quite happy, the truth is out, it is among the people. Vijender can be at peace of mind now, he can practice, he can come back in the ring, and definitely he can win medals for India.